The US government heavily relies on the nation's economic output and basically economic growth to pay its financial obligations. Okay, because the US needs income to pay its obligations. That means citizens like you and I, businesses, we work, we earn income, and we pay our taxes. And what happens is those taxes actually fund government and the government spending. So things like public services, the military, black budgets, social security, roads, and of course, interest payments on their debt. Okay? So now this works like this. So think of the government like a person with a credit card. And if that person spends more than they actually make, what they'll do is they'll start putting that difference on the card. Okay? So eventually they have to pay it back at some point with interest. So not just the principal, but the interest as well. Well, the US government isn't exactly the same. It's a little bit different, but it's close enough for this example so that you have a better visual of how it actually works, okay? So the government keeps piling on more and more debt. And with every dollar borrowed, what happens is more interest accrues, okay? So they keep borrowing and the interest keeps racking up. But since they don't have enough revenue to cover the interest payments, what happens is they borrow even more money and print more money and borrow it into existence to pay the interest. So as you could see, the interest gets paid, but the debt itself never does. And that's why the national debt keeps racking up and increasing. So what happens is they borrow more to cover the gap. And the more they borrow, the more the debt grows over time. And the more the interest grows along with that. So it just keeps growing, turning into basically the whole system is going on this never-ending cycle. And it's based on the debt. So in summary, the government consistently spends more than it brings in through taxes. And this is the problem. This is the main source of income, but they don't generate enough income to cover their cost and their expenses. So to keep functioning and to avoid an economic collapse, America just keeps kicking the can down the road and has to keep borrowing even more and more just to make the payments on its credit card.